No motion design experience needed to animate your Figma files. Sounds cool? Open Figma, search for Linearity Move, run the plugin, select your frames, and click Export. Let's start by creating a reveal effect for text. Use the Shape tool to create mask for text, change a different fill to see the area clearly, and apply it as a mask to your text layers. Adjust the position of the text layer for preview. Outline the text for easier scaling and resizing. Create keyframes to animate the position of the text elements. Change the timing to create interesting text animation. Looks great! Now, duplicate the animation. When you duplicate, your animation settings are duplicated too. Super efficient. Everything's smooth, let's export, and you're done.